HTML lists. Okay, so to make a list in the HTML, we have two type of listing. We have URL. URL. Let me make it simple. Let me print it to explain it first. Let me use header one to explain it. We have URL. We have URL, and then we have OL. So the UL simply means unordered list. Unordered list. While OL simply means ordered list. So make use of two of them. Then we understand it better. Okay. So inside our HTML body, let's light and let me just create maybe let's say okay, let me use house, type of houses, or let's say flutes will be more better. Let's say flutes. Okay, let me use h1, enter. Fruits. Okay, let's say types of fruits. Types of fruits. Let me make this thing more. Types of fruits. Types of fruits. Okay, so under it we want to list, we want to use unordered list and ordered list to list the types of fruits. Okay, let's start with unordered list. So first of all, unordered, you type, let me use small letter UR, which will stand for unordered list. Then inside this unordered list, that's where you start listing your item inside a NLI element, which is list itself. So NLI list. So you can see that dot. So let's say types of fruits, we have mango. Okay, this is being listed. Okay, let's duplicate this list up to 5 places. Shift at down arrow key to do that. 5 places. Then let's change the name of the fruits. Let's say here is apple. Here is apple. Then let's say here is which other fruits? Okay, let's say melon. Say here what's that? Oh no, orange. Okay, orange. Let me give the last name to berries. Okay, is that really okay? Should I use pineapple? No. Okay, let me use berry. It's very straightforward. So as you can see, the lists are inside unordered list. Unordered list block is inside unordered list element. So this is how it lists out the content. Now let's do ordered list. Ordered list. Let's give space. ON, enter. This ordered list. So everything you are writing will be inside the ordered list elements or inside the block. So let's just copy the same thing here and paste it there. Let's copy this. Control C, Control V. Okay, Then let's not forget to put our okay. So you can see now the ordered list, it numbers it accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the unordered list, which is UN, there's nothing like ordering. You just use a bullet or a dotted bullet to just list it. But this one numbered it accordingly. So as usual, you can also do some stuffs here. You can just target this one and give it a styling. We are used to that. I can give it a styling. Let's say let's use background color. Let's just give it let's say red, as you can see. So you can, okay, let's just do something here. Melon is green and red. Okay, let's do green, the color. Let's say it's not always that. Okay, let's leave it at green. Then apple is red. Let's give apple style. Let's say background color. Let's give it red. Then let's give mango green. Style. Say background color green. Orange is yellow. Orange is not actually yellow, but somehow yellow. Style equals to ground background color background color let's give it orange. I don't even know whether they have, yeah, they have orange color here. Yeah, yes, there's the orange color. I think berry is purple or sort of what is the color of this berry? Berry should be a little bit I don't know why I forget this color now. I think purple color, something purple color. Let me see whether I can see this color combination. Let me use purple first. Let me see what it will give me. Purple. No, what am I doing? Sorry. I think I should use RGB for this. Let me use RGB. Say 1 Let me use RGB here to know whether I can get the color combination. Okay. I think the berry color is supposed to be somewhere, something like this color. Yeah, this is berry color. I think something like this. Okay, 65,071. Okay. Let's leave it at this color. Just assume that this is the berry color. So you can actually do the same thing. You can actually duplicate it and do the same thing. Let's just okay. Let me do something now. Instead of doing it one after, to save time, let me copy from here. Yeah, Control C. Now highlight this one, highlight it, Control V and replace it. so you can see the same color just for the demonstration sake anyway. So notice that the difference in the wrist, the difference in between unordered list and ordered list is UL and ON. UL, which is unordered, it's just list the items with a dot, with a bullet dotted sort of. You can replace this dot with anything. You can replace it with plus, uh, allo, whatever. But the ordered list always use number. It use number to list its own item. And you may also know that the the list itself that contains the name of the object must be inside this on opening. It must be inside this element, which is, it must be between this opening and closing tag. So that is it. I think I've yeah, okay. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.